In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zoom link in Calendly. We'll start inside your Calendly account. Open Calendly in your browser and make sure you're on the main scheduling dashboard where you manage your event types. From there, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Integrations and Apps. This is where Calendly connects to tools like video platforms, CRMs, and more. And it's exactly where we'll link Zoom. On the Integrations page, either browse the list or use the search bar to type Zoom. When you see Zoom video conferencing, select it. That opens the Zoom integration page so you can set up the connection. Next, you'll choose how to connect. If you're managing this for a team with centralized settings, you can connect Zoom for your organization. Most individuals, though, will click Connect Zoom for myself. Choose the option that fits how your Calendly is set up. After you click Connect, follow the prompts to finish linking the accounts so Calendly can create Zoom meetings for your bookings. Once the connection is complete, click Go to Event Types. This takes you back to the list of your meeting templates so you can decide which ones should automatically generate a Zoom link. Now, choose the specific event type you want to update, such as a discovery call or a 30-minute meeting. Click to open that event's settings. We're going to set the video location so attendees receive a Zoom link in their confirmation and calendar invite. Inside the event editor, find the location section. Click Location to expand it, then click Add Location. You'll see several options for how you meet. Select Zoom. This tells Calendly to create a unique Zoom meeting for every new booking on this event type, so you never have to paste links manually. Finally, click Save Changes. That's the key step that applies your update to the event. From this point on, whenever someone books that event type, Calendly will generate a Zoom link automatically and include it in the confirmation page, email, and calendar invite. If you have multiple event types, repeat these same steps for each one you want to host on Zoom. That's it. You've connected Zoom and set your event to use it as the location. If you ever want to switch to a different meeting method, just return to the event's location settings and choose another option, then save. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the time you'll save with automatic Zoom links in Calendly.